Good morning, guys. This is Pete from MyJewelryBench.com. Today I got a really short video I just want to talk about here. Customer brought this watch in. It is a tag with a 7750 movement, ETA 7750 Verijewel. I open this watch up, it has a problem. The hands are rubbing each other, so the watch isn't working good. And of course, the customer's complaining the watch stops. Of course it does. Hands are rubbing. This watch was recently worked on by somebody, I don't know who. I opened up the watch and I want you to see what I found. An Invicta flywheel. I don't know if that was changed or if the whole movement was changed. I imagine the entire movement was changed because otherwise the hands wouldn't have been done, but you know, here's the problem. And this goes back to why I say I'm not a big fan of Invicta, but you know, whoever put this watch together, look at how loose this thing is. It's not even the right part for this watch. You know, now I have to work on this and somebody else beat the crap out of this watch. And are they gonna hold me responsible for it? Well, this is one of the things that we deal with, you know, at least once a week in the watch industry. Some hack got in here, changed the movement, probably bought a used Invicta on eBay and replaced the entire movement, charged the customer probably $1,000. And look at this. Look at that flywheel. That screws tight. Look at this flywheel. It's a piece of crap. So I'm gonna get this at least running for the customer and hopefully stays running. If they don't want to spend the money to do this job right, then not much I can do. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. There'll be more to come. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel and check out our website, www.myjewelrybench.com, where I cover jewelry and watch repair. You guys have a good day. Thanks.